how does English help us in travel and as well as communication?
Well, as you know that many people speak in this language around the world. We can read, write, listen, and speak in English. It makes our communication more easy and clear. And we can also make a lot of new friends with English. And in travel, we can talk at airports and hotels by knowing this language. And tourists also ask for help using this language, and so that's why English is useful for travel and as well as communication.
Yeah, you're correct. So you can say that clear communication makes life easier and happier. And about travel when we know English, travel becomes more easier. So my next question is, why is English called a global language?
Well, as you know that many people talk in this language, right? And people use it in offices, schools, and even at big airports. Many international meetings are also held in English, and online courses, books, and websites are all written in English. So that's why it's called a global language, or you can say an international language.
Yeah, so people also call it the language of the world.